everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Marlena. Today's video is just going to be a really quick tidy up. And sometimes with cleaning there's just so many different variations and levels of cleaning. You have just quick tidy ups, you got some regular cleaning, you got deep cleaning, detailed cleaning, all sorts of cleaning. And today is just going to be a quick tidy up. So it is Sunday morning. Actually, we had just finished up with breakfast and I had just finished cleaning up downstairs. My boys are going to be watching just a little bit of cartoons up here in my room, and I noticed this whole area just needed to be tidied up. So that is what I am going to do. So my 1-year-old had grabbed a few of my eyeliners and decided to draw all over the plexiglass that we have up here in the playroom. So I just needed to get this off, and I first tried with the cleaner, but it wasn't getting it off really. So I went in with the magic eraser and just magic erasing all these little marks of eyeliner off the plexiglass. And then I'm just going to go ahead and clean this whole glass area up here. And it does take me just a little bit longer to clean it than it would normally just a mirror or something, because I try and be very gentle with it. It is fragile. We don't let the boys play with it or bang into it or touch it or anything like that. It's literally just here to keep them from climbing over the edge, just to keep them safe up here in the playroom. So like I was saying, there's just a lot of different degrees of cleaning, and today I wasn't even going to video this or anything. I wasn't even ready for the day. I have no makeup on or anything like that, but I figured I would just kind of share this anyways, because a lot of the times this kind of is what a lot of my cleaning sometimes ends up being, is just quick tidying up to make sure I'm trying to stay on top of everything. And it's not exciting, it's not extreme cleaning, it's not deep cleaning, it's not all day whole house or anything like that. It's just a quick little 30 minutes. I have 30 minutes, I'm gonna tidy up. And that's just kind of what I am showing you here today.
Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times.
So one of my 1-year-old's favorite new games is called Empty the Bookshelf, and it's this nice little game where he gets to take all the books off and mommy gets to put them back. And that's the game that he decided to play this morning. So I am just going to go ahead and get all these books back up onto the bookshelf and just kind of straighten up this playroom a bit. And it's not too bad up here. I've been really trying to work with them on putting toys away and things like that, but sometimes I just want to kind of get in here and just straighten it all up and get it done. And that's what I'm going to do. So I'll just straighten all this up and get this whole area nice and clean.
Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times. To stop me in the
I'm just going to wipe down their little play table up here, and I'm going to use Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. This is in the new Snowdrop scent that they have out for Christmas, and oh my lord, it smells so good. Like, I feel like every other scent that I buy from them, I'm like, oh, this is my new favorite and I love it, but oh, this one smells so good. If you haven't tried it, I recommend it because it is, yeah, it just smells really nice and fresh and good. So yeah, try it. I'm going to move on into their bathroom here. And again, it's not too bad. There's just some things that need to be put away and some things that need to be, you know, taken out of here and put where, like, in the place where they belong. So I'm going to do just quickest little clean in here, nothing crazy. I had already cleaned the toilet and everything else like that just a couple days ago, so I'm not even going to bother with that. I just want to get the counter nice and cleaned. I'll just wipe it down quickly since I have the stuff out. Get, you know, just this whole place looking just decent again. And then now we're just going to go into their room here, and again, it's not too bad. And the reason it's not too bad in here is because they have like just nothing in here. Like, their room is literally for sleeping and for, you know, holding their clothes, and that's it. We don't keep any toys in here because they would just play the whole time. So we don't keep any toys or anything like that in their room, so it never gets too bad. So I'll just go ahead and give everything a little wipe down again and just make their beds quickly, and that'll be it. Everyone, so I thought I'd just let you see how it looks now that everything is nice and clean. The plexiglass is nice and clean with no more eyeliner. You can see that sock though that got thrown over on the side. And this is my puppy here, Vector Prime. He's not a puppy, he's actually 12 years old, I think. But the playroom's just nice, clean, organized again. Just a nice, simple, tidy up, really quick, really easy, nothing crazy. I do see that there's a brush there on the floor there. Now that I'm looking at this, I went and picked it up. Anyways, I hope you guys have a really good day, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.